Good morning, everybody. Just wanted to give you a little peek into the mango harvest right here. Look at this. It's coming down by the hundreds. And still got plenty more plenty more coming. So got mangoes everywhere. And what we do is, sometimes I just, give a lot of them away, and then I freeze some of them so I can make smoothies and juices with them. So, but anyway, just wanted to give you an idea of how much the harvest is. It's coming down with a lot of them right now. All right, take care, everybody.